2023 VW Transporter, but just check this out. VAT qualifying, T32, DSG, 204 brake horsepower, 4Motion, 4-wheel drive, automatic 7-speed. In bay leaf green, that colour is an optional extra, it's £1,000, 5 seats. We've then got other extras, so we've got matrix LED lights and running lights at the front. Let me just show you them, I'll just pop them on just to show you. It's a Highline, so you've got things like parking sensors front and back, heated seats. It's got adaptive cruise control, but then it's got other options which are key. The car's done delivery miles, it's VAT qualifying, 5-spoke wheels which are beautiful. The key extras on this vehicle: electric siding doors off the key. You can work them off the key, there's an internal button, and that's for both sides like that. Then you've got your row of 3 seats, then the 2 seats in the front, they're all with Isofix. It is like new, beautiful, lots of space. You've got 3 years VW warranty and 3 years VW breakdown as well. And there you've got 4Motion. You've got sensors built into the back here, it's got a camera as well. There's all that space in the rear. But we've just checked these vehicles out. The closest 23 model T32, 204 horsepower, 4Motion, is priced at about £6,000 more than what this car's priced at. So we're pricing it on the money to sell it. It's a 7-speed DSG. It's done delivery miles. It is absolutely beautiful. Now, other extras. So if I get in, we'll step into it. Start the car. So you've got your 7-speed DSG gearbox here. New design steering wheel. You can see that little button there. So we've got adaptive cruise control, all your volume controls, automatic lights, automatic wipers. We've got heated seats, driver and passenger. Reversing camera as well as front and back sensors. And then you've got all your other features, your navigation, your multimedia, your Bluetooth. You've got Apple CarPlay. On here, if you look at that section, that's to operate all your doors, so you can do them from the buttons there. 2 seats in the front and 3 in the back. Absolutely stunning, just ready to go. Very, very desirable. To try and order something like this, you'd probably get one in about 18 months' time, but you'd have to join a waiting list. It's priced on the money, it's VAT qualifying, 4-wheel drive diesel T32.